Shredder wants to estimate the number of rats living in the sewer. He caught 48 rats and tagged each one, and then released them back into the sewer. After a week, he caught 120 rats and found 7 of them were tagged. Used proportional reasoning to estimate the number of rats living in the sewer. Okay, so hopefully you recognize we have 2 different times that we're talking about rats, right? This is the first time where he caught and tagged 48, and the second one he caught and tagged 7, right? Found 7 were tagged. So there's 2 things that we're talking about too. And anytime you're talking about proportional reasoning, you want, 1, you want to set up a proportion, right? And 2, you want to think about what are you comparing. We know we have 2 different times that we caught it. So the first time he caught, the second time. So that's one way to set up. So my this left fraction is all about the first catch. The second fraction is all about the second catch. And then I'm comparing, we have tagged rats and we have total number of rats. So the first time he caught them, right, we know that he tagged 48. Do we know how many total rats there were? No. We just know that he caught 48 and he tagged them. But we don't know how many total rats were in the sewer. The second time, the total number that he caught was 120. There were 7 of them were tagged. So we're kind of keeping this is the estimation, that out of every 120 rats that you catch, 7 of them will be tagged. And if that's true, and only 48 were tagged to begin with, how many total rats do we have? So that's kind of, and no, this is not exact, but it's a process. And now using this, we can use our cross multiplication to solve our equation. So I would end up with 7x equals 5,760. And an equation sign, right, breaks it up. To get this x by itself, I will divide both sides by 7, because 7 over 7 is 1, and I get 1x equals 822.86. Well, you can't have 0.86 of a rat, so we round to the nearest rat, and we would estimate there are 823 rats living in the sewer based off of our proportion.